Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this occasion, I would like to presentate about my journal entitled Conversational Implicator and Cultural Identity in Jimmy O. Young's stand-up comedy Good Deal. For the first is a background of the study. For the first, language is not only a tool for expressing information, but also shaping identity and delivering cultural values. And the second implicator allows a speaker to express meaning indirectly, especially in humor, stand-up comedy, because a powerful medium where comedians like Jimmy O. Young express personal truths. And third, his performance reflected the struggle and tensions of being an Asian American living between two cultures. And this study explore how Chinese American comedian like Jimmy O. Yang utilized conversational implicator in his stand-up comedy performance, particularly in his special show Good Deal. The focus lies is how he implied meaning into his jokes to express employing language that is not always explicit. Jimmy turned the stage into a platform for expressing real-life experiences as an Asian immigrant in United States. And the next material is about the Jimmy O. Yang and his performance Good Deal. Jimmy O. Yang is a Chinese American actor, stand-up comedian, and writer. He was born on Hong Kong and immigrated to the United States. And he is widely recognized is not only a sharp comedic timing but also for his ability to blend humor stories of immigrant struggle, cultural identity, and social critique. And as a bilingual and bicultural performance, he often uses his stand-up routine to express what it's like to grow up as Asian in America. And for the analysis is in stand-up performance. Title is Good Deal. Good Deal is Jimmy O. Yang first full-length stand-up comedy special show released in Netflix and in Amazon in 2020. The special runs for approximately 55 minutes and feature Jimmy performing live in front of an audience. And the Good Deal is showing immigrant upbringing, story about growing up in a traditional Chinese family in the US. It's about strict parents, cultural misunderstanding, and pressure to be successful. And the second is cultural identity and stereotype. His jokes is about being mistaken of other Asian ethnies, and commentary on Hollywood casting and racial typecasting. For the third is language and accent. He also show mimics the Chinese accent not as a mockery but as a way for reclaiming it with pride and humor, and reflects how accent is tied to identity and perception. For the first is masculinity, is about self depicting humor about dating as an Asian man, stereotype about Asian masculinity challenged through it. And for the last is customer culture and family pressure. He takes funny on frugally cheap Asian date, the obsession with disease and the tension between Western independence and Eastern filial piety. And why Good Deal is used for subject? Because there are cultural rich is more than just jokes and a commentary on what is mean be Asian American in today's world, and pragmatic powerful. Jimmy often use a conversational implicator, irony, sarcasm to deliver punchline that carry deeper social meaning. relatable and reflective. Many viewer and me also, especially those from immigrant or multicultural background, and find material relatable and validating me as Asian, yeah. And then there is educational value. The show over valuable insight for researchers for me in pragmatic, sociolinguistic, cultural study, and media discuss. And the research focus. This study is analyze how conversational implicator is used in Jimmy O Yang stand-up comedy show. And Jimmy O Yang utterance, the goal is not merely to find what is funny, but to understand why it is funny through a pragmatic theory, and focus on identifying violation of Grecian maxim to generate hidden meanings. And I use Implicator by Grace 1975. Implicator is a hidden or implied meaning that the speaker does not state directly, but the listener can infer based on the context. And this study is which explain that effective communication is guided by the cooperative principle comprising four conversational maxim. There is four. For the first is quantity, second quality, relation, and manner. Quantity is say as much as needed, but no more. And the second quality, say what you believe to be true. The third, relation, be relevant. And the last one is manner, be clear and orderly. And the next one is method. Methodology in this research implies a qualitative descriptive approach and pragmatic discourse analysis. The researchers, examines a selected segment from the YouTube compilation and entitled 39 Minutes of Jimmy O Yang, which includes scenes from his Netflix and Amazon special, Good Deal. Data sources, stand-up clips for the aforementioned video featuring jokes about immigration, family identity, and cultural stereotype. Data collection is the utterance were manually transcribed and selected using persuasive sampling. Focus on those that potentially involve implicator. And the data analysis following Creswell 2009 qualitative producers, data collection on an organization, categorization of utterance, identification of maximum variance, and context-based interpretation of the implied meaning. And for the next is I will explain about example how I analyze the implicator. There is two example. For the first is utterance. Did you really that Matt Damon was Chinese? In this utterance, maximum evaluated is quality, and types of implicator is particularized conversational implicator, and the speaker votes the maximum of quality by using rhetorical and sarcastic tone. And contextual knowledge, the audience now that Matt Damon is not Chinese, although he was cast in a film set in China. And the listener, assuming the speaker, Jimmy, is still cooperative, interpret this irony as form of critique. And the implicator is the casting is ridiculously inappropriate and reflect a Hollywood bias toward casting white actors even in ethnically Asian roles. And the second is when you the trend is when you wake up Asian, you can only represent Asian. The maxim evaluated is quantity, and the type of implicator is generalized conversational implicator. The speaker deliberately provide less information than expected. There is expected break gitu. And from contextual knowledge, a minority are often unfairly expected to act as representative of their entire radical or ethnic group. And the listener interpret this as a critique of media and societal overgeneralization, and the implicator society unjustly places cultural expectation and symbolic burdens on Asian individuals simply because of their radical identity. And Jimmy O Yang in his performance consistently violates Grecian maxim as a pragmatic strategy to create humor and deliver social message. And the resulting implicator serve multiple functions. There is humor targeting louder through unexpected meaning, and critical subtly exposing issues like racism, masculinity, immigration, and general gaps. And cultural is highlighting contrast between Eastern collectivist value and Western individualism. The audience and plays an active role in interpreting the hidden meaning, drawing on shared knowledge and cultural context. And the last one is conclusion. This study conclude that conversational implicator is a highly effective tool in stand-up comedy, especially in conveying meaning beyond entertainment between speaker and hearer. By intentionally violating Grace maxim, Jimmy O Yang can construct a communicative space where humor becomes a bridge to social awareness. Through story of immigration, racial tension, and cultural identity, Jimmy used stand-up not just for amuse, but to resist, reflect, and represent us Chinese American. His comedy reveal that the stage is more than a space for laughter. It is such a platform for giving voice to minority experiences, blending humor and identity. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you very much for your attention. And the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.